Good day, everybody. We're outdoors today. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this cat shelter to the house and to the window so that well, the cats can only get out in the shelter, they can't get away, and none can get in. So I got this is the entrance extender I got made, and that's going to go on the entrance down there. So I'm going to have to take this down and then get that put on, and then while I got it down, I'll show you what I done with the window so that the window can still open and close from the inside, but it's using the frame for the screen that I actually done to get this straightened away. Yeah, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So I made this, and the opening is 9 by 10 to match the opening here. I cut the top one at 12, and I cut the side ones 11.5 and cut this one at 9. Now the cut edge, I ripped it at 3. This is 2 by 4. I ripped it at 3.25. That's roughly the distance from here to the screen, and that's going to go on here like that. Now the trick is getting that screwed on, trying to reach in through. Hopefully it won't be too big of a problem. So far, so good. There we go. So now that's, oh, been out, my neck broke. That's that fastened. Now I'm going to show you what I done. So this is the screen for the window. I took some lattice that I had around, and I got it zip tied to the frame, and then the hardest part was making sure I got the right location for this to line up with that. That was the hardest part. Once I got that done, I cut it out, and then where the screen is still left in it, so critters and spiders and everything still can't get in, I zip tied the screen around here so it can't come off. And now that's going to end up landing there like that to the window, roughly. And then I'll just take some 1-inch panhead screws from the inside and just anchor this to that. That'll be done from the inside. Now with the zip ties, the screen is a little bit tighter, but that's not a bad thing. He still fits, that's all that matters. He still locks in. So now I gotta put this up, push it in. Now this stretcher here is resting on this wheel well, or wheel well, there you go, window well. And then the middle one is coming out and catching on the front. So that's keeping it pretty. Now, the window well is not level, but he's not off by much. He's slanted a little bit, but that'll work in my favor because if water gets on it, it'll just run off. It just hits the opening. There we go. Looks pretty good, I think. The cat should have no trouble getting out there. And now, like I said, I'll go inside, a couple of panhead screws, put it out through, that'll hold all that in place. And now the cat comes out, he can't get down in the window well. Anything gets in here, it can't get in. So this way now I don't have to try to, I don't have to try to close this off. I don't have to worry about sealing all that off, because now it's sealed to the window. So that's pretty much that. That's how that's gonna go. I'll go inside, I'll screw that on, and his cat shelter is ready for his cats. So I hope you like this project. I got more coming. Be great if you subscribe, comment, share, like. That'd be great. I hope you enjoyed this one. Got some tips. If you never, leave me a comment, and I'll definitely answer them. If you've seen any mistakes that I might have made, don't be afraid to comment on that either. So everybody stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll be back again with another project. Take care.